doing a service on the air conditioner in the RV today. So I'll walk you through that, show you how to do it. Keeping it clean, it's going to prolong the life of the AC unit and let it run cooler inside. So this is something that you should do at least once a year, depending on how much you use it. I got a leaf blower back here, a little battery operated leaf blower, a little DeWalt, just to blow out anything extra that might be down inside there. Some water in a spray bottle. Now you can use condensation after you spray the foam on there, and the condensation will rinse itself off, but I like to go ahead and rinse it off while I'm going to be there. Plus it could cut down a little bit on the smell coming back in. Got a towel so it could catch any water that does come off when I'm spraying it down, and a screwdriver. Now the local RV dealer, what they had was just a regular coil cleaner. It's not the evap bio-friendly, better smelling that you can put on there, which if you use that, then you're less likely to have to rinse that off. Or you can put it on there, let it run for a while, let it rinse itself out, getting the excess smell out. I'm kind of sensitive to the smell and I don't want to smell it later. So anyway, walk you through, show you how to do it. First step, super easy. Use a screwdriver and take out the screws. You might have them on the top, you might have them on the side. Got one set of coils exposed, and taking the screws off of the front to expose the evap coil. Now we've got the front one exposed. So the RV dealer sells a coil cleaner that does not have a brush on top. So I've got some interior carpet cleaner that has a bristle, kind of a firm bristle brush on it. And I've got another interior carpet cleaner that also has a little foam. It's a spray foam for your carpet on the inside, and it has a little brush on top. Now that pops off. You can just use these if you have this option, or if you happen to buy the coil cleaner that has a little brush on top, use it. So the way this will work is we can come over and brush out the coil. Now I don't know if you could see, there's dust, debris coming out with that. I'm going to work my way all the way across it, and then I'm also going to use a little bit stiffer bristle to come back across and help straighten some of these coils out. I'm going to do it to the front and the back. So I've been going over this with the little brushes that are on top of this interior cleaner and running it through, top to bottom. A lot of debris is coming off, but I just wanted you to see how bent some of these are. Look at these fins over here on the left. Now I'm going to run the brush through and then show you the result. So if you can tell, much straighter. Okay, so we've got it all cleaned out. I've got some towels down in the hole so it doesn't go down inside the RV itself when I spray it off here in a minute. Just an extra note, if you didn't already know this, make sure you have your power turned off. You don't want to have power up here and have this AC unit turn on while you're in the middle of cleaning. All right, so got my can. I am spraying it all over the coils. Okay, so why I am letting that soak for 5 minutes, I just want to remind you, these bristles are fairly soft. The other ones are a little more firm. Make sure that when you brush the coils, you don't go sideways, you're nice and smooth. Place it in, roll it up easy. Those fins are fragile and you can bend them very easily. Now as I'm spraying this out, I'm not sure if you can see this, but some pretty dirty water running out of here. So I'll keep rinsing it out a little bit more, and then I'll end up rinsing the side of the RV off to get any kind of dirt streaks off the side where the water's running down. Okay, so I've rinsed it out, pulled the towels out, and looks like I don't have any kind of water that seeped down where it could be getting inside the RV. So the excess water is just in the coils, no big deal. It happens when you run the AC. So I'm gonna go ahead and button it back up. So I'm just wrapping it back together now. Got the cover back on, not the black cover back there. Of course, I got to move it up, just put it over the top, but got the cover that covers the evap coil and got it all cleaned out, wiped it down, blew everything out, the excess, and make sure it was nothing was leaking on the inside. Everything's ready to go. Cleaned off the roof where the excess dirt was drilling out into the roof itself. Hey, not to say that I could use some cleaning on the rest of the roof. That's true. Anyway, that's it. So if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you liked it. Subscribe if you want to watch our channel, our RV. It's all about our RV travels, trying to find some new priorities in life and reduce PTSD and anxiety. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna throw this block cover on, put the 4 screws in, and get out of this sun.